Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing and immediately initiating the unpair. Make sure the watch is charged, your iPhone nearby, and you know the Apple ID credentials. Open the Watch app on your iPhone, tap My Watch, then All Watches, find the watch, and tap the Info button. Choose Unpair Apple Watch and confirm. This starts an automatic backup and removes activation lock when you sign in. Once done, the phone erases the watch and returns it to factory settings so it can be repaired or handed off. If you cannot unpair from the iPhone, erase the watch directly or remove it via iCloud. On the watch, go to Settings, General, Reset, and select Erase all content and settings. Enter your Apple ID when prompted to disable activation lock. Alternatively, sign into iCloud. Open Find iPhone, locate the Apple Watch, and choose Remove from Account. This severs the link to your Apple ID. Both paths achieve the same end. The device is wiped and no longer tied to your iCloud. Finish by confirming the watch is no longer associated with your Apple ID. In the Watch app, the device should be gone on iCloud. The watch should not appear under Find My. If you plan to reuse it, repair now, otherwise leave it erased for the next owner. If activation lock still blocks you, make sure the original owner removed the device or be ready to contact Apple with the original proof of purchase. This one troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn lock issues efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.